You don't heal by forgetting what happened. You heal by rebuilding who you become after it. Most people think healing means waking up one day and suddenly not caring anymore. But psychology says healing doesn't happen all at once. It happens in small moments. Every decision you make to choose yourself again. If you're feeling emotionally exhausted, this video will show you 7 psychological steps that slowly help your brain and heart recover. The first step isn't moving on, it's accepting reality. Your brain keeps replaying painful memories because it's searching for a different ending. But healing begins when you stop fighting what already happened. Acceptance doesn't mean approval. It simply means this happened, and now I choose my future. We often avoid sadness because it hurts, but emotions don't disappear. They simply wait. This happens. It's allowing them to pass through. Psychology shows that suppressed emotions return stronger. Cry. Journal. Talk. Let yourself feel. Healing isn't avoiding emotions. It's allowing them to pass through you. Many people replay every conversation, wondering what they could have done differently. Self-blame creates guilt. Guilt creates emotional exhaustion. Instead, ask, what did this experience teach me? That question changes everything. Healing isn't one big decision. It's hundreds of tiny ones. Drinking enough water, sleeping earlier, going outside, reading, walking. Every small promise you keep to yourself slowly rebuilds self-trust. You can't heal while constantly reopening old wounds. Sometimes healing requires distance. Distance from toxic people, toxic habits, toxic memories. It's emotional survival. Maybe you stayed too long, trusted too much, loved too deeply, but you were simply doing the best you knew at that time. The version of you that made those choices deserved compassion. Real healing isn't becoming who you were before. It's becoming someone stronger because of what happened. Pain changes people, but so does healing. One makes you guarded, the other makes you wiser. Remember, healing isn't a race. Some days you'll feel like you're starting over. That's okay. Every small step counts. One day you'll look back and realize the person who was once broken became the strongest version of themselves.
If this video helped you, subscribe for more psychology videos that help you heal, grow, and understand yourself.